Ang pinakauna na kailangan ng bawat negosyante or entrepreneur ay ang suporta ng kanilang mga kaibigan, ng kanilang mga kakilala, but don't always expect na gano'n ang mangyayari. Totoo yung sinasabi nila na not always yung kakilala mo ang bibili sa'yo or susuporta sa'yo. Pero it's okay. It's okay. Again, huwag sumama yung loob mo sa kanila. Kasi ganun talaga ang business. Hindi lahat ma-attract mo. Not even your closest friends or not even your closest relatives. Kapag sana may suporta or may solicit, mga ganyan, make sure guys na sinuportahan nyo rin yung business. What if kakilala nyo lang yung business because kailangan nyo sila ng support, ng charity, ng donations? It's okay naman. It's okay on the side of the business. However, ang hindi lang okay kasi is this. During the time that they need you guys, kahit yung simple na pag-like, pag-share, pag-comment, malaking bagay na yun for the business advertisement. Sana give and take.